Greet the sun in the hills in the morning, and the ocean by the shore.
Hello beautiful people. Right now I'm doing my makeup because I am going to school in like 40 minutes, which is exciting. I had such a good morning. I woke up at 6 a.m. which has been really exciting. It was really hard to wake up because I just really didn't want to like wake up at 6 a.m. but I managed to do it. There were so many excuses in my head. Like, it's crazy to me how many excuses you can just make up in a few minutes. It's like, so it's kind of funny, but I mean, because it's normal. And it was good. I did some meditating, some yoga. I really like yoga lately. It has been making me feel really good and like connected to my body, and I like that a lot because I don't know, I never really felt that. I wasn't into sports really ever, and now I'm trying to go do like working out and stuff like that, and it is cute, it is nice, and I feel good. So
And we thought it'd be
Ale do anglického vlogu. Easter egg. Hi guys, welcome back. This is my little farm. It's really yeehaw. It's giving Taylor Swift debut. I was riding shotgun with my hair wrapped down, and look at my Easter bunny. Isn't he pretty? Já to miluju. Red flag. Show your napa. Love her.
So it is Tuesday today, and I don't know, I am not feeling the best because basically my plans got cancelled today. And not that I would be feeling like going out, because yesterday I was out with my friend and some man attacked us, and it's like not the first time that something like this happened to me, and it's just so annoying. You know, like, I get it that some people don't have the best lives and do certain stuff like drugs and stuff like that, but you don't have to attack other people, you know? So I don't quite love that. And I had very big anxiety yesterday and today still, so I'm home right now, and I am very anxious still. I was very anxious when I was going home from school today. So yeah, I wanted to do something today, like go out, because like my plans got cancelled, but I was still like, oh, I can go somewhere else, but I just didn't feel like it, so I'm home. It's just cute. I went to buy some skincare though, so I'm gonna show you what I bought because I am kind of excited about this collection of things. It's pretty cheap actually, like it's a good price for what you get, and it's good. Like, I feel like I will update you obviously if it's good actually, but I had one product from that collection, or I don't know how to call it, and it's been good, so I'm gonna show you and tell you more. So, I put away all of the pictures that I had on the wall, but we have a problem. It peeled the paint off of the wall, so I will have to paint it. So I hopefully will find the paint. If my mom is watching this, please do not, okay? I don't know, I've just decided that I want to put the pictures on this like white wardrobe that I have next to my desk. I don't know, I just want to have this like clear because I can do way more content while sitting on my bed, and if it's going to be like white, then it's going to be more like, I don't know, it's gonna be cuter. And I feel like it was like kind of ruining the vibe of the room, because my room is very white and this was just full of colors. So if I put the colors where colors are already, then it's going to be like, you know, gonna be fine. So I'm gonna hopefully find the paint and paint this wall. So in the meantime, while that is drying in my room, I'm gonna do myself a lunch because I'm very hungry. So I'm gonna do some waffles. I already have them in this toaster because my mom prepared them for me. She is such a sweetheart. So this is what the wall looks like. I think that I slayed, okay? Look at it. It is white. It doesn't have any peeled paint and stuff, so I'm so happy. I did some cleaning and stuff and I feel awesome. I will probably do some yoga or Pilates. Right now I am going to this one studio in the center of Prague of one photographer, and he was really cool and he had really interesting photos and projects, and so I'm very excited to see his studio because what I've seen on photos and stuff, it really like represents him, and I'm very excited about that. And I think there is an exhibition there too, and I'm not really going there for the exhibition but more like for the place, but I'm excited to see that too, you know. So let's see where we are going. So I am back, and so first we went to the studio of Josef Sudek, and that was such a magical experience. Ah, it was beautifully done. Like I just like I respect the people that made his like studio an exhibition low-key, because they made it so beautifully. Like it's so like him, I feel like, you know, like you can feel the energy. It's not big, it's not like, it's still like humble, even though he was like a really successful man and everything. It's just so humble and so beautiful and so little. Like you probably wouldn't find it if you wouldn't know that it exists, you know? Like it's not like every other exhibition. Like you usually have like these posters of there's an exhibition there and there's an exhibition there, but this one was just so magical and it was so good. So yeah, the exhibition itself, it wasn't bad. I didn't really vibe with it. It wasn't his stuff, his art. It was some other like small artists, I guess, and it wasn't bad, but I just didn't vibe with like the vibe, you know, like it didn't talk to me that much. And then we went to the center of Prague because we wanted to go to his museum for his art, but that was closed. So we had a nice walk though, and then we went like see like Hradčany and Prague Castle, and that was also very beautiful. There's a lot of tourists though, which I guess is nice, and it feels like Prague again, you know, like in coronavirus there was no one anywhere and that was a little scary, but now it actually feels like Prague again, which is good. And then there I went for an exhibition again, a different one, and there was that one was way more expensive, but it was actually good. It was like Japanese art, and it was really interesting. It was made very interesting. It was like very aesthetically pleasing, even the place, like not only the exhibition and the art itself, but also the place, you know. They had some like really cute like little chairs and it was just cute, I don't know. And then there was like a meditation space where you could like meditate and draw into sand, and it was just so sweet. So yeah, this whole little trip into the center of Prague was beautiful. Prague is beautiful. The whole exhibitions and art that we just like saw was also very beautiful. So yeah, 10 out of 10. And also I will end this video here because I think this week was really cute. I took you from Monday to Friday. I didn't vlog on Wednesday, which I mean, or on Tuesday not much, but mainly on Wednesday I didn't vlog, and that was because I don't know, honestly I just didn't feel like it. I went to therapy though and went out with my friends, and that was so good. Like that was beautiful and I enjoyed that a lot. And yeah, I enjoyed this week a lot. It was very, it cleared my head a lot, you know, like I sorted things out. I felt really creative and inspired, and I hope you felt that while I was with you. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave some supporting things. Like obviously if you watch this video, that supports me a lot, but if you could just leave a like or subscribe or write some comment. Actually, I love reading comments from you guys. Like it's so, it like is really motivating, you know, and it's so sweet and I just adore this stuff. So yeah, if you could if you could do any of these things, it would mean a lot to me. And thank you for watching, it means a lot too. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and you will probably get a new video on the next Monday because I upload on Mondays now. So yeah, I hope I will see you there. Peace out. Or I don't know.